Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many people believe you need a high income to become a millionaire. That belief is wrong. In this video, I'll explain how ordinary people with low average income can realistically build millionaire level wealth over time. No hype, no shortcuts, just clear financial principles that actually work. Let's begin. When people hear the word millionaire, they imagine luxury, freedom, and a high lifestyle. But financially, a millionaire simply means having a net worth of 1 million. Net worth is what you own minus what you owe. This means you can become a millionaire without earning a massive salary, without running a company, and without going viral. Income creates cash flow. Wealth is created by ownership and time. Once you understand this difference, become a millionaire on a low income stops sounding impossible and starts sounding very mathematical. Low income does not block wealth, it only slows the timeline. Most people never become wealthy not because they earn too little, but because they never control spending. A person earning modest income with strong financial discipline will always outperform a high earner with poor money habits. Low income teaches efficiency, patience, and decision making skills that are essential for wealth. If you can build wealth slowly, you can multiply it quickly later. So, this is a very good habit. The foundation of wealth is not income, it is margin. Margin is the gap between what you earn and what you spend. If your income increases but your expenses increases at the same rate, your financial position remains unchanged. Millionaires focus obsessively on this gap. They do not chase luxury early. They delay gratification. Every rupee or dollar you do not spend becomes a worker that can earn more money for you in the future. So, next is our saving on a low income. Saving on a low income feels difficult because people try to save what is left over. Instead, you must save first. Even 5 to 10% of income saved consistently creates discipline and capital. Savings are not about the amount, they are about habit formation. Without savings, investing is impossible. Without investing, wealth is impossible. Small savings done automatically build a foundation of long term wealth. So, investing for compounding, not excitement. Millionaires do not look for exciting investments, they look for predictable ones. Index funds, diversified equity funds, and long term market exposure have created more millionaires than any trend or shortcut. Compounding rewards time in the market, not intelligence. A low income investor who starts early has an enormous advantage over a high income investor who starts late. Consistency matters more than market timing. So, time is the real advantage of low income. People underestimate how powerful time is. Investing a small amount for 30 years often creates more wealth than investing a large amount for 10 years. Low income forces patience, and patience is exactly what compounding requires. The earlier you start, the less money you need to invest to reach a million. Time does the heavy lifting, not income. Increasing income strategically. Low income should not be permanent. The goal is not to stay low income. The goal is to grow income without growing lifestyle. Skill development is the highest return investment. Skill scales income. Time does not. One extra income stream built slowly and realistically can significantly accelerate wealth creation. The key is reinvesting increased income, not spending it. And last but not the least, avoiding the biggest wealth killers. High interest debt destroys wealth faster than low income ever would. Credit cards, personal loans, and lifestyle EMIs reverse compounding against you. Millionaires avoid consumer debt aggressively. They use debt only when it increases future income or asset value. Financial freedom goes fastest, obligation stays low, and flexibility stays high. The millionaire formula. Becoming a millionaire on a low income is not dramatic. It is quiet, repetitive, and often boring. Spend less than you earn, save automatically, invest consistently, increase skills, avoid debt, let time work. Most people fail because this process looks slow, but slow, consistent progress is exactly how real wealth is built. Most people overestimate what income can do in a year and underestimate what discipline can do in a decade. Wealth does not come from intensity, it comes from consistency. Thank you guys. Do subscribe our channel if you like the video and please share it to your friends who really need it. Thank you.